Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you are getting informative videos on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, so that you do not miss the latest videos.
Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Singtel AP5690W Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, keep the Singtel AP5690W mesh extender close to your existing mesh router or mesh node during setup. Power on the extender. Plug the power adapter into the extender and connect it to a wall socket. Wait until the power LED stops blinking and turns solid white. Now activate WPS on the main mesh router/node. Locate the WPS button on your main Singtel mesh router or existing mesh extender. Press and hold the WPS button for about 2 seconds, then release it. Activate WPS on the AP5690W extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the main router, press and hold the WPS button on the AP5690W for about 2 seconds, then release it. Wait for the pairing process to complete. The extender will now try to connect to the mesh network. During this time, the mesh LED will blink. Do not unplug or move the extender. This process may take up to 5 minutes. When the mesh LED turns solid white, the extender has successfully joined the Singtel mesh network. Setup is complete. The extender will automatically use the same Wi-Fi name and password as your Singtel mesh network.
I hope you like this video. If you're stuck in middle of the setup process, then don't panic. Feel free to contact our professional experts at 132350733713. Our experts team will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more informative videos.